So, Arsenal used to be called Highbury Hill, and there was no actual station called Upminster Bridge. Sorry, on the District line. The Central line used to be called the Central London line, and it used to be called it used to terminate at Liverpool Street. Wembley Central Station used to be called lots of things. Wembley for Sudbury, then Sudbury Ford Wembley, then just Sudbury Hill, then it became Wembley Central. I don't know if that's complicated, but bye. That's going to be 57 seconds.